The developers create app, then place ads in their apps. When user gets engaged with the ads, the developer gets paid. The developer don't get paid for the downloads until the app is paid. High user engagement is required with the ads to generate revenue. So, even if a free app has some many downloads, but no user engagement with the ads, the developer won't be able to generate revenue from their apps. What is user engagement? In simple terms, the users must be active on your app. The more usage, more probability of the engagement with ads. That's why the games are best. Because users will be spending more time on your app actively. Now, let's see the app game market. The global games market will reach $128.5 billion by 2020. With mobile taking around 50%. Making mobile app game revenues around $64.9 billion. Let's talk about tools to create a game app. The developers use some tools to create games for apps. These tools are known as game engines. There are so many game engines in the market. But don't confuse yourself with so many choices. You can just pick Unity. Why to pick Unity? 34% of top 1000 free mobile games are made with Unity. 5 billion downloads of made with Unity games in Q3 2016. 2.4 billion unique mobile devices running made with Unity. Unity touches 770 million gamers all over the world. Through games made using Unity engine. An estimated 90% of Samsung Gear VR games were made with Unity. And it supports almost all gaming platforms. It means you can build your app once and runs it on different platform. How to get familiar with Unity? There are so many tutorials and game kit on the official site. For the beginners to get you started. Unity has also partnered with the Udemy and Plural site. For the beginner courses. And also launched the VR courses and Nano degree. On Udacity platform. And if you learn from YouTube then, you can follow Bracky's channel. Unity has a learning curve. It will take some time to develop a game from scratch. But our ask here is to build the apps fast. So get yourself familiar with the basic Unity features. Like how to import. And build a project. And learn about the app Reskin. App Reskin allows you publish apps with minimal efforts. App Reskin is a practice where you take any existing app template. Modify its features. Like images, characters and publish it on the App Store. I have followed the same steps and published my game on the Play Store. Raccoon Bubble Shooter. You can buy the templates from Unity Assist's store. Shopamobile. Codester. Import your game and just build it on the Unity. And you are good to publish it on multiple platforms.